Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, let's take a look on how to set 120Hz refresh rate along with power saving mode at the same time. Previously, we've shared tips like this that works on OneUI 2.0 and 2.5. But after updating to OneUI 3.0, unfortunately those tips didn't work anymore. Well, now in this video, we'll apply the setting that works on OneUI 3.0 and OneUI 2.5 as well. Okay, now let's try it out. On the default settings in OneUI 3.0, when activating power saving mode, the refresh rate will automatically revert back to 60Hz. And on this default setting, we cannot use 120Hz refresh rate along with power saving mode simultaneously. Here to check the display status, I will activate refresh rate info from the settings so that we can monitor the change easier. So first, let's activate show refresh rate in this developer option. And now you can immediately see the refresh rate info on the top left corner when activating 120Hz refresh rate. In the default setting, we can activate power saving mode at the same time with 120Hz refresh rate. If you activate 120Hz display refresh rate in the setting and then display and set motion smoothness to high, here we can activate this 120Hz refresh rate if we turn on this power saving mode. But if we turn it off, we can immediately select this high motion smoothness option. And the refresh rate will immediately change to 120Hz display if we don't activate the power saving mode. And when activating the power saving mode, the screen refresh rate will revert back to 60Hz. So now let's activate the power saving mode along with 120Hz refresh rate. To make it work together, open font setting, then select display and select motion smoothness. And choose high, but don't click apply just yet. Then in the notification panel, activate the power saving mode toggle. After activating the power saving mode, go back to the previous setting. And now here, click apply for the motion smoothness settings. So now you can immediately get 120Hz refresh rate along with power saving mode at the same time. You can apply these tips easily on OneUI 3.0 and it will also work on OneUI 2.5. On OneUI 2.5, of course, you can also use the previous method by using Bixby routine. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when there is a new video from this channel. If you have any question, just put it on the comment section down below, or you can ask directly on our Telegram group or in our Instagram account @Sansertainment. See you in the next video.